The MA in Adult Learning and Training has been in existence almost 20 years. Point Park University is one of the only schools in the region to offer this type of program in an online environment. We know that adults are going to continue to need education and training, retooling them. There's a wide array of professionals in the online classes in this master's program, and through their discussions and sharing of assignments, they learn from each other and therefore expand their own perspectives about adult learning in the different settings. We've had a lot of students go through the program and they've had wonderful success, many in post-secondary education, corporate settings, banks, law firms, social work settings, government. There are so many benefits today for students taking online courses, especially for busy adults. It allows students to customize assignments based on their areas of interest. They also do practica, work experience, volunteer work, a variety of learning experiences that get them out in real-world settings. We encourage students to contact us, learn more about the program, and faculty members will be glad to talk one-on-one with students before they make the commitment, and we hope you'll join us in our program here at Point Park.